Leaving students feedback on digital learning is often quite a straightforward task because it's on the iPad anyway. But when they do work in their books, maybe in a sketchbook for example, leaving feedback is equally as important, but you might not want to get a biro out and write all over their lovely work. So we're going to use the camera app to snap a photo of this graphics project. In fact, it's one of my old graphics projects when I was back in college, and I'm going to get a nice photo of the whole page of my students learning. Now obviously we can't use an actual biro on our iPad screen because that would be terrible, but we can use our Skriva Stylus. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump into the photo I've just taken and I'm going to press Edit on the top toolbar. From here we're then going to go into Markup mode, which will bring up those drawing tools that you've probably used in other apps. From here I can simply choose any of the tools that I use already, maybe the highlighter, and using that Skriva Stylus I can start annotating the work straight away. I can zoom into certain areas, I can change my tool, perhaps I can put a spelling mistake if there was one on there. Of course there wasn't because my work's perfect. But I can then change anything that I need to do. This is such a great way of adding feedback to your students' work without actually damaging their original page. Of course, you could then share this document perhaps via Shobi or whatever learning platform you're using, and it will share just as a normal photograph when you save it. You can even, using the markup tools, add stickers. So for me, I can press the Add Sticker button, and I can put a little emoji doing a thumbs up, and then perhaps a speech bubble as well of a comment or a next step for that student. This is just another way that I use my stylus and my iPad every single day in my teaching.